Hello, today we are going to remove the display screen LCD and glass assembly from this iPad mini 5th generation tablet. First, you want to power off the iPad. Next, you want to heat the front edges. We are using this CPB brand heated repair pad that we purchased on Amazon. We will provide a link in the video description. There are other ways to heat the edges of the screen while the adhesive is, but we suggest the heated pad. Once it has been on the heat pad for 2 minutes at 160 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, you should be good to remove it and turn the heat pad off. We wouldn't suggest using heat of more than 195 degrees Fahrenheit since it could damage the LCD screen. Now we need to quickly start pulling the glass screen up with a suction cup or other device. There are multiple types of tools for this. We suggest using the iFixit anti-clamp. We will provide a link in the video description. Please use the anti-clamp carefully and slowly. Using too much tension will crack the glass. We suggest starting in the lower corners and working around the sides to the top edge. As you see a tiny gap between the casing and glass, use something like a card to place between the gap. We suggest using the iFixit opening picks, like shown in the picture. We will provide a link in the video description. Carefully slide the picks around the edges to break the adhesive. Be careful going around the front camera and home button. The display cables are in the lower right area, so be careful to not put the picks too far in and snag onto those cables. If you get pieces of adhesive tape outside the iPad, pull as much of it as you can and break it off. The top edge is usually the worst to get apart. Once all edges are loose, lift the glass up from the top edge. Don't try to fully remove the display assembly yet. We must rest the display assembly at a 90-degree angle to the iPad case. We use the iHold Evo tool from iFixit to assist with this step. It connects into the lightning port and is a steady but flexible tool with a clamp that goes on the display assembly to hold it. We will provide a link in the video description. Let's look next in the lower right area where the display cables are located. We have to remove the two Phillips number 00 size black colored screws here. We recommend a size 00 screwdriver, but some size 0 screwdrivers will work. Below this black metal plate is the battery connection. The battery cable is stuck to the bottom side of the metal plate. Once the screws are removed, carefully pry on the edge to slightly lift and disconnect the battery cable. We use the black iFixit spudger shown in the picture. We will provide a link in the video description. The black metal has a lip under the right edge of the iPad case. This is shown here in the picture. Carefully slide it away from the edge and lift it up. Now you will see the battery cable connector and 3 cables which go to the display assembly. Lift each of these cables straight up from the main board, using the Black Spudger. Once those are loose, you are all done. Take the display loose from the iHold Evo if you are using one. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your repair. If you like this video, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for future videos.